Greetings, dear listeners. My name is Serikbayev Syrym, and today our broadcast is dedicated to resource management. In organizational studies, resource management is the efficient and effective development of an organization's resources where they are needed. Such resources may include the financial resources, inventory, human skills, production resources, or information technology and natural resources. In the realm of project management, processes, techniques, and philosophies as to the best approach for allocating resources have been developed. These include discussions on functional with cross-functional resource allocation, as well as processes espoused by organizations like the Project Management Institute through their Project Management Body of Knowledge, Methodology of Project Management. Resource management is a key element to activity resource estimating and project human resource management. Both are essential components of a comprehensive project management plan to execute and monitor a project successfully. As is the case with the larger discipline of project management, there are resource management software tools available that automate and assist the process of resource allocation to projects and portfolio resource transparency, including supply and demand of resources. The goal of these tools typically is to ensure that there are employees within our organization with required specific skill set and desired profile required for a project. Decided the number and skill sets of new employees to hire and allocate the workforce to various projects. Within professional services and consulting organizations, the effectiveness of these tools and processes is typically monitored by measuring billable utilization rate. One resource management technique is resource leveling. It aims at smoothing the stock of resources on hand, reducing both excess inventories and shortages. The required data are the demands for various resources, forecast by time period into the future as far as reasonable, as well as the resources configurations required in those demands, and the supply of the resources, again forecast by time period into the future as far as reasonable. The goal is to achieve 100 utilization, but that is very unlikely when weighted by important metrics and subject to constraints, for example, meeting a minimum service level, but otherwise minimizing cost. A project resource allocation matrix is maintained to visualize the resource allocation against various projects. The principle is to invest in resources as stored capabilities, then unleash the capabilities as demanded. A dimension of resource development is included in resource management, by which investment in resources can be retained by a small additional investment to develop a new capability that is demanded at a lower investment than disposing of the current resource and replacing it with another that has the demanded capability. And now our broadcast is over. Please subscribe to this channel. That was your host, Serikbayev Syrym. Goodbye.